Hi everyone, Gaurav this side. Welcome back again on this channel. So today we are going to build an AI voice agent for healthcare industry. So if you're a doctor, hospital owner or a clinic owner, then this video is for you because you and your team are getting a lot of inbound calls on daily basis related to doctor's appointment or healthcare related query which is costing you huge time, and this can be simply automated by AI voice agent that will handle all your inbound queries calls 24 into 7, whether it is doctor's appointment or any healthcare related query. And not only that, this AI voice agent will also take follow-ups from your patient so that they can feel that you care for them. So let's start this video. And if you don't know me, my name is Gaurav Mitawa. I am building ClusterX, where we build AI systems for businesses to companies. And if you are non-technical, it is still easy to set up this AI voice agent. So without further ado, let's get started. So before building a voice agent, let's understand the basic nuances of the voice agent. So the first part is that we will be building an AI voice agent using a platform called Bolna.ai. So Bolna is an AI voice agent building platform where you can build a voice agent without having a coding knowledge. Second thing is, to make our voice agent operational, we need to buy and integrate it with a phone number that we will be doing on Wobis.ai. Third thing is, to understand how many calls we are getting and see all the analytics about the voice agent, we need to have a control panel. And this is where a coding knowledge is required. But to remove all the friction, we have built a voice. So this is, we have built an internal platform that you can use where you can control your CRM booking system and run the voice agent campaigns. Now let's set up the voice agent. So as you come to the Bolna.ai, you will see the option like new agent. So as you come to the new agent section, then you will see front desk agent, which is specially built for clinics, hospitals, hotels, and for FA scheduling. Now this is a pre-built template that you can use, but this is something that you need to modify according to your requirements. So I have built Bella here. Bella is specifically designed for my requirements. Now as I come to Bella, then you will be able to see options like agent setup. There you need to define the context. Now what does it mean by context? So let's say that you hire an employee, then you provide a basic training to the employee so it can function according to your requirements. Now in the same manner, your agent need to possess some basic information about the work it is going to done. So it could be having a knowledge base about your hospital, about your clinic, about your doctors, so that it can provide or it can solve the queries that he will be getting from the patients. Now the same manner, you will be defining the context here with the voice agent that you will be doing through prompting. So I have already defined the prompting for Bella, and I will be copying and using the same. So here this is, I'm using it. Now after this, you need to set up the basic configuration of the voice agent that you will be using the LLM. Then you need to set up the voice that you will be doing through servam.ai if you're building in India. Then your voice agent will be ready to go. Now this is the time to set up a phone number with voice agent. So this is we will be doing on wobis.ai. So as you come to the phone number section, there you will be see different type of integration. So I'll be going with the buying a phone number, and this is, now we need to connect our voice agent with our phone number. So for this, you need to come to the providers, and as you come down, scroll down, you will see the option for Wobis.ai. So this is the Wobis.ai. I have already connected my Wobis account. So what you need to do is you need to go to the Wobis.ai. So as you come to Wobis.ai, there you can buy a phone numbers. So as you log in and you will set up some basic configuration, then you will be able to buy a phone number here. So you need to come to the wobis.ai. You can just set up a phone number. Then you can just integrate it with your Bolna account through here. Now your agent is ready and your phone number will reflect here in this section as you connect your Wobis account with the Bolna.ai. I have already set up and bought different type of numbers here. So now my agent is set up. Now let's have a call with a voice agent. Now let's initiate a call. So I'm initiating a call. Let's wait for the call. So we are getting the call now. I am Bella from Artemis. बताइए क्या help कर सकती हूँ? Hi Bella. Actually, I had some query related to Artemis. Can you help?
नमस्ते जी बिल्कुल आप अपना क्वेरी बताइए मैं आपकी मदद करने के लिए यहाँ हूँ
Okay, so I got some fever और मुझे आर्टेमिस को विजिट करना है कल. So कल आप मेरा अपॉइंटमेंट शेड्यूल कर सकते हो 9 o'clock मॉर्निंग में.
जी जरूर कृपया मुझे आपका पूरा नाम फोन नंबर और क्या आप नए पेशेंट हैं या पहले से रजिस्टर्ड हैं बताएं साथ ही
Yeah.
फीवर के अलावा कोई और सिम्टम्स हैं या किस डिपार्टमेंट या डॉक्टर के पास अपॉइंटमेंट चाहिए
मुझे जस्ट फीवर है एक्चुअली, एंड मुझे कल 9 बजे किसी फिजिशियन से मिलना है, तो आप किसी फिजिशियन के लिए अपॉइंटमेंट शेड्यूल कर सकती हैं.
जी समझ गया कृपया अपना पूरा नाम और फोन नंबर बताएं ताकि मैं आपका अपॉइंटमेंट फिजिशियन के
Okay,
साथ
thank
कल
you.
9 बजे के लिए शेड्यूल कर सकूं।
Okay, so it is working perfectly fine based on the fine tuning I did through my prompting. So you can do the same. You just need to define the prompting first. Then, according to the conversation, you just need to fine tune the voice agent. Now, the third part is that we need to set up the analytics for this. So, as you come to the voice agent analytics, I'll drop the link in the description box. So, through that link, you will be able to log in into this voice.cluster.ai. So as I get started, then you need to go to login first. I'm logging into this. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to take the API, and from here, let's say you go to developer account, then you can create an API. So this API will be helping you to log into this platform. Now, as I am here, I have already provided my API, which you will be able to see here. So as you provide the API here in this platform, then you will be able to see all your call analytics. And we have provided all the CRM section, and you can also run the campaigns as well into this platform. You don't need to deal with any type of coding stuff. So in the dashboard, you will be able to see all the outbound calls. So let's say you are running a campaign for patients, then you can see all the outbound calls and inbound calls as well. So let's say if someone is calling you, then you will be able to see how many calls you are getting in office hour and how many calls are you getting in office hour, non-office hours. Then how many are not interested, how many booked the appointment, and how many are queries you are getting. And based on that, you will be see all the people and their names and their phone numbers into the customer sections. And then you can see the call summary as well. So any person who is calling, then you can see all the call summary here as well. The third thing is that if any person who is booking appointment with you, then you will be able to see all the bookings into the booking section as well. Now the third section is where you can see all the billing section. So you need to put some credits into the Bona account, and all the credits you will be able to see in the billing section. Now to use this platform, you need to buy the subscription for this, because this is not free. This you will get 7 days trial. So for all the CRM booking system and customer, you will be able to see all the things on this platform. You don't need to deal with any coding stuff. So we build this three component here. We understood three component. The first one is agent setup that we did on Bona.ai. Then you need to set up the phone number that you will be doing on Wobbies.ai. Third thing is that you will be using the voice by ClusterX, and here you will be seeing all the CRM booking and campaigns. So this is how you can set up a voice agent for your healthcare. Now the most important thing is that you need to set up the outbound. So if you are setting up the inbound agent, then you can just directly set up through this platform. You don't need to deal with any coding stuff here. And if you want a follow-up agent, and so you can also build a follow-up agent through this section as well. And after building the agent, you need to find it here only. Then you can just take out the API. Then you can go to this voice agent platform and you can provide the API. Then all the control panel will be shifted to this platform. And Wobbies is pretty easy to set up. You just go to the provider section, then you can set up Wobbies through here. So this is how you can set up your voice agent in just 5 to 10 minutes of work. Using this AI voice agent, you can automate all your inbound calls and outbound calls. And this AI voice agent do things actually. It can schedule appointment, provide all the customer support or health related support to your patients. And it can also take human in the loop. And at the time of emergency, this AI voice agent can transfer the call to a human in the case of emergencies. So this is how you can build a voice agent setup. And if you want me to set up a voice agent for your healthcare business, you can fill the form in the description box, and I would love to catch you there.